Hey, this is Beth from Be Zumba. I'm doing some how-to videos for you today, all on basic steps that we do in Zumba, breaking them down a little bit so that to help you in class. So here we go. Okay, in Bachata we also do a forward and back step. So we would be doing that going forward. 1, 2, 3, tap. And then that heel's up, we're going to go back on it. 1, 2, 3, tap. The heel is up, ready to go forward on it again. So we're going 1, 2, 3, tap. Ready to go that way. 1, 2, 3, tap. Obviously, we're going to add hips. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. And that's basically the forwards.